Hello traders. Today is Thursday, 17th of December 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. This morning you can see that dollar Swiss franc, we were expecting a pullback, and based on the momentum you can see we had another pullback short trade, only made a few pips on pound dollar Swiss franc. Pound dollar, as you can see, the momentum was very strong bullish, and we, as mentioned on the analysis, that we should be looking a pullback as soon as the price is going to respect this trend support line. We had beautiful, as you can see, the bottom momentum bullish, beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc pretty straightforward, as mentioned on the analysis. Look for this pullback. As you can see, the price nicely developed pullback, as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful long trade on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound pretty straightforward. You can see this was the channel breakout. Beautiful short trade, and price nicely hit to the profit target. Pound yen pretty straightforward. Sideways market breakout long trade. Euro Swiss franc pretty straightforward, beautiful pullback long trade as mentioned on the analysis. Euro USD, as mentioned in the analysis, if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, which you can see the price nicely respected, and beautiful long trade on Euro USD. Pound yen pretty straightforward, consolidation breakout short trade, price nicely hit to the first target. And dollar CAD, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback short trade. And pound dollar, this was the counter short trade based on the momentum, beautiful breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we mentioned to bank some profit on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc, this was again, as you can see, as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful breakout counter short trade. Pound dollar, once we have this breakout, bank some profit, and we develop another pullback. We also had this short trade on pullback, only few pips, but later on price develop another pattern. As you can see, beautiful breakout long trade. Euro yen pretty straightforward. You can see this was the consolidation breakout, beautiful long trade, and as you can see, the price nicely hit to the profit target. All right guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside the trade updates through live audio commentary, and even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling, this is the platform where you can see all that trading in real time in live, and you can develop your trading skill in a real-time trading environment. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.